Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to share with you even more fantastic deals that I found at Walgreens this week. I say even more because I posted a full haul of ridiculously amazing deals earlier, and now I'm going to show you even more. Like, it literally wouldn't all fit on my table. So if you haven't checked out the first video, all the deals I talk about are completely different, and I will link it down for you in the video description box below. I'll probably try to pin it in the comments as well. But in this one, I'm going to show you a few more deals, as well as some ridiculous clearance finds and all the best grocery deals, both the ones I did and some that you might want to check out for your family as well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I also want to thank you guys. I noticed that you guys are starting to help each other down in the comments, and I just can't tell you how much I appreciate that. I'm still doing my best to respond to everyone's comments, but I know I'm missing some here and there, and I honestly don't know all the answers to every question. So if there's ever a question that I can't answer, if someone else can, that's amazing. So I love seeing that you guys are helping each other in the comments. So please continue to do that. Let's start with just a few regular coupon deals that you can do this week. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Mask. This is $2.99. There is a $3 digital coupon attaching to this, but you're going to want to place this as a curbside deal because oftentimes when that coupon value exceeds the value of the item, like in this instance, the item is $2.99. The coupon is in excess of that. It is $3. Oftentimes that will not work in store. So place this as a curbside order, snag yourself a free mask. Same thing with this Pantene Miracle Moisture Boost. You can grab the little shampoo or conditioner right around the $2.79, $2.89 mark. And I had a $3 digital coupon as well as a $6 off too. So either of those would work for these products, scoring these completely free, again, as a curbside deal. Don't forget, like I said in my first video, if you're placing these as curbside orders, go through Rakuten first because you'll get up to 3% cash back in your Rakuten account, and I'm just not one to turn away some extra free money, so I always go through Rakuten first. If you are completely brand new to Rakuten, you can score yourself one fantastic deal. Use my link below, because when you spend $30 out of pocket, you're going to get $30 back in your Rakuten account that you can then cash out. So awesome, awesome deal. I'll drop that link in the video description box. Okay, other just regular deals this week. The Persil, y'all know I love Persil laundry detergent. It's $4.99. There is a $2 digital coupon, making it just $2.99. It's a great price and an easy deal to do. So I grabbed another one. Also, these Bic Soleil razors. They are buy one, get one half off, and we have a very high value digital coupon. So you'll buy two of them. One is going to ring up $6.29. The other is going to ring up $3.21 and $3.24, excuse me. And there's a $6 digital. So you'll pay $3.43. And then you get $2 in Walgreens cash back when you buy two of these this week. So that means it's $1.43 or just 71 cents per 3-pack of razors. So not a bad price. Okay, I think that was all. Oh no, the Silhouette. Let me tell you about these. And I included this in my first video. Completely forgot to tell you about the deal. Just a reminder that I am imperfect. These Silhouettes, these are expensive. These are $14.99, but we had some rebates and some coupons. So let me tell you about it. $14.99, there is a $2 digital. I placed this as a curbside order, so I used the code EXTRA20. That took off another $2.60, leaving me to pay $10.39. Now, my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $4 back, and my Shopkick app had an offer for $5.42 back. So my final cost after those rebates was just 97 cents, so over 90% off. If you are brand new to Fetch, grab it using my referral code. Those offers can vary by account, but I had the $4 back on any of the Silhouette products. I also have the Shopkick app. I have a code that you can use. It is SWC5. It's going to give you an additional $5 back when you scan your first receipt. Okay, I think that was all the regular price. Nope, one more. Alloway. So this is a weird glitch deal. Okay, these are $13.99. There is an $8 digital coupon. I believe that coupon says off of 2, but it applied to just one of the items. So who knows if this will last. But today I did this deal. I got $8 off as well as the $5 off store digital attaching. Using the code extra20 took off an additional 20 cents, leaving my final cost to be just 79 cents for the Alloway eye drops. All right, now let's talk clearance. Tons of sunglasses at my store. Check your store, and I'm going to include pictures of these at the end of the video, but these said they were regularly $19.99. I snagged them for $1.99. I also saw other adult sunglasses and a bunch of kids sunglasses, all in the like 79 cents to $2 range. And again, I'll include those pictures at the end of the video. I also found this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen. It was on clearance for $1.59. There was $1 digital, making it just 59 cents. Check your coupons.com app because I'm pretty sure that $1 coupon is there as well. So you could do the deal again, pay $1.59, then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get $1 back, making 2 of them 59 cents. Now this one was kind of weird. This Genexa was on clearance for $1.99. When they rang it up full price, and then they had to price modify it down to $1.99. So check and see if your store has this on clearance for $1.99. There's a $2 digital. Now, like I said, oftentimes when the price of the item is less than the value of the coupon, that coupon won't come off. So I'm assuming it's because they price modified it that it came off. But it did come off, leaving me to pay $0. Now, let's say you paid $1.99, your $2 digital didn't come off. Just submit your receipt to the coupons.com app because there is a $2 rebate there. So you could pay the $1.99 out of pocket, submit to coupons.com, get your $2 back, leaving you to pay nothing for this kids allergy product. Now, another clearance item, and I mentioned this over on my Instagram super early on Sunday morning. These are just 40 cents each on clearance, but they're also buy one, get one free. So I paid 20 cents for each of these. Now, if your store had a bunch of them for some reason, and you could get above the $2, I believe there's a $2 digital for these as well. But I paid 40 cents for both of them, or just 20 cents each. My store also had these Essie nail polishes. They're originally like $9 nail polishes. They were on clearance for just 90 cents. So if you love nail polish, you might want to check out and see if your store has those on clearance. I also got this Pronamel Sensodyne toothpaste. This was on clearance just under $1, and there was $1 rebate on the coupons.com app, making this completely free. Same deal with this 2-pack of Colgate. It was on clearance for 90 cents. There was $1 coupon on the coupons.com app that I submitted to, making this free and a 10-cent moneymaker. Now, the last clearance deals I did were on some toys. So, the sticker is gone. But this was 89 cents. These Marvel, this was Black Widow, but there were other of these Mini-Mates, and they were all marked, oh, there it is, 89 cents. So they were all marked 89 cents, which is 90% off. Same thing with this unicorn poopsie slime. What kid doesn't want unicorn poop? I don't know. 99 cents. Seemed like a good price when it's originally $9.99. Now let's talk about some food deals. I'll tell you about the ones I did. I grabbed the Honey Nut Cheerios. These are on sale $1.99 this week. There is a $1 digital coupon, so that makes each box $1.49. We needed some Cheerios, so I thought that was a decent price. Plus, I can use my Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay for it. And check it on the back, there were coupons on the box, and these don't expire until January of 2023. So $1 off yogurt, $1 off 2 boxes of cereal, and then $1 off 2 different types of cereal. So great deal on the Honey Nut Cheerios. The mac and cheese, I mentioned this in my Walmart video last week. It increased in price to $1 at Walmart. Walgreens has it on sale for 99 cents. So that's a great stock up price now because apparently prices are going up on the mac and cheese. So 99 cents at Walgreens. Plus you could use register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay for it. I also grabbed some of the cashews. These are $3.99, but they're buy one, get one free, making them just $1.99 per bag. And the last deal I did is I grabbed some of the Quaker Oats. This is the big one. This is 42 ounces and it's $3.49 on sale. I noticed the one that was much smaller, like it was 18 ounces, was $3.79. So great deal if your family eats oats or uses oats for baking. Awesome deal there. Again, you could use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay for any of this. Other grocery deals that I didn't do that you might want to check out this week. Pringles are 3 for $4. There were a couple of different types of crackers that were 2 for $5. The hamburger helper was on sale 2 for $4. There was apple juice on sale 2 for $6, as well as the Progresso soup on sale 2 for $3. And a lot of times when Walgreens has grocery sale prices, they're cheaper than what you could get at your local grocery store. And you could use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay for it. So I love that because it helps to reduce my overall grocery budget for the month. Now, if y'all have questions on any of this, please let me know down in the comments below. Again, don't forget to check out the first Walgreens haul. All different deals, all amazing deals. This might be my favorite week we've had at Walgreens in a really long time. Also, at the very end of the video, I have pictures of the items that I found on clearance. Thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all have a fantastic start to your week. Thanks.